Okay guys, I went to Kroger, which you know what that means. A Pokemon pack time. Whoops. Saw the popcorn there, didn't you? I tried to clean it up at Moo Moo, and the popcorn's too big to suck it up, so I'm just gonna go back right now and shovel it out. Alright. Paldea evolved. I don't know what the pull rates are like in this. I don't know what is happening with this. Wooper's cute. Pikachu. That guy. Oh. I got a bunch left. Palmo, he's cute. I can actually put that one in my deck. Hoppip. I can't tell. Is there one more? Oh man, how cool is that? I need to stop buying Pokemon cards. Thanks for watching.